Hey guys, Quentin here today, and today I just got my new recorder, and this is really awesome. It's from Kodak. It's called the Zi6. It's HD right there, and it's very good. And I think it's really cool. And yeah. It's black and has a really big screen, really good recording, and I also have a 4 GB Kodak card too. High definition TV, you can view it on there, and easy upload to YouTube, and it has a charger and 2 batteries. Well, that's what it says right there. And it comes with the software too. Easy video editing. It's called Archive Media Impression from Kodak. It's really cool. So yeah. So this is the awesome QT here. Over and out.